GlamFam, so today we're going to be doing this very vampy, plummy, cranberry, smoky, grungy makeup look. I don't know what it's called. Maybe it's all of what I just used to describe this makeup look. But I really like how this came out. And if you guys know me, I love fall makeup. It's like my favorite because I really like vampy and punky makeup looks. I love them so much. Really quick, if you are new here, my name is Josie. I post new videos every single week and I hope you will stay and subscribe, hit that red button down there and then the bell next to it. If you do, you'll never miss another tutorial. I put new videos out every single week and we're close to Glamoween, which is super exciting, which is for a month. I post a whole bunch of Halloween videos and hopefully you guys will find some in there that you want to be this year. And without further ado, let's get into this tutorial. Alright guys, so foundation is done and set and we're going to go into my Hoola bronzer with the Emphasize Contour Brush, and this is the F57. It is a curved brush like this and it goes like with the angle of your face, and we're just going to go in and start to bronze using just a little bit of the bronzer on the brush because this brush really packs the color on. Another reason I like this brush is you can just go into the side of the brush and it's a really sharp line for your nose contour, if you can see that. You can just go in and blend that out. Look at that. It was a super easy nose contour, and then you do the other side. Alright, and then I'm just going to go in with a fluffy brush and blend the excess powder off. I'm just going to go in with my Sigma 3D HD blender and just blend underneath those contour lines out so it's not so harsh. Alright, and then we are going to move on to our eyes. I got some new Sigma goodies here, guys, and I am super excited to show you them. I got some new brushes and a eyeshadow palette and an eyeliner and an eye primer. I am super excited, guys. So I got 3 brushes. The first brush I got is the E25 blending brush. I already have this, guys. You guys already know it's a staple in my collection. And this one is new to me. I have never seen this one. This is the L04 Detailed Lip Brush, but it looks like a little tiny baby blending brush, pencil brush, if you guys can see that. Little baby blending brush, which is awesome. Then I got the E70 Medium Angled Shading Brush right here, which is kind of like a flat angling brush. And then I got the E11 Eyeliner Brush. It's just a little tiny baby eyeliner brush, which I'm super excited about too. I also got the Warm Neutrals Volume 2 Sigma eyeshadow palette, and this is super exciting for me, guys. This is what it looks like. Look at those colors, guys. This palette screams everyday makeup to me, like big time. The first thing we're gonna do is take our eyeshadow primer. Our eyeshadow primer base, the Sigma eyeshadow base primer in the color Persuade. We are just going to go all over our eyelid with this primer. I'm also going to take it underneath because we're going to be doing a heavy smoked bottom lash line today. Just going to go in with our fingers and just blend this in to our eyelids. Just make sure we cover all of the space. Look how high coverage that base is. I really love it. We're gonna go in with the 3D HD blender from Sigma and just blend that out. Top and bottom. Just like that. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go in with some translucent powder and just set that. We are first gonna take the E70 medium angled shading brush, and we are just going to go in with the color Toasty, just for a soft transition tone into our crease. We're just gonna blend this up. This one you don't have to be so precise with where the product goes unless it is a big contrast to your skin tone. And we're gonna go in with Humble, this light shade, and we are going to just place that underneath our brow bone. The angled brush is so nice for this because it can be so precise when you need it. Like, look at that precision. But you can also flip it around like that and just blend it down. Then we're gonna go in and take our E25 blending, which is a soft, fluffy crease brush. And we are gonna go in to this super pretty Rogue reddish brick color, and we are going to pop that into our crease. We are just going to make sure this blends out really nicely because this red color is going to be the focus of our eye. After all that we've been through, I think it's fair. Don't be afraid to go back in and build it up. After all is said and done, and I know I am the one. We're gonna go in with these two colors right here, the Toasty and the Rogue that we've already used, and we are going to blend those in the same way that we did for our eyes. So the Toasty first, and then we're gonna blend the red into it later. Alright, and then what we're going to do to make this even more smoky and sultry, we're going to go in with After Hours, this dark brown color here. We're going to pack this onto our lid to create that even darker lower space. Once we have that packed on, we're just going to go in with a brush and blend it out onto the lid, and then start to blend that out into the crease just a little bit. You don't want this to be nearly as high as the red. And then we're gonna put a tiny bit of that dark brown color on the outer portion of our lash line underneath our eye. I'm going to do my eyebrows really fast. If you guys want to know how I do my eyebrows, I do have a tutorial on that. I will try linking it here in the video or in my description below, and I'll be right back. And then we're gonna go in with the E11 eyeliner brush, which looks like this. I am so excited. This looks so nice. All right, we are also going to go into the Sigma eyeliner, and we are going to do a dramatic wink. Then we're going to go in with Sigma's long wearing eyeliner pencil, and this is in the color Wicked as well. What's really cool about this pencil is you never sharpen it, it just scrolls up, and I love that. And if you pull on the bottom, there's a little sharpener down there. Now I'm just gonna take some of that eyeliner and kind of put it underneath our waterline just a little bit. I'm gonna go in with the detailed lip brush, and I know this says it's for lips, but come on, you gotta be creative sometimes. I'm gonna use it to blend out my eyeliner on the bottom of my eyes. Let's do our lashes. Then we're gonna go in with the Sigma Tapered highlighter brush. This is the F35. You guys already know I love this for highlighter. Besides finger, this is the most saturated applicator for highlight, powder highlight at least. So we're gonna go in with Becca Champagne Pop. I know, whoa, I'm finally going back to it. I tried to stay away from it for a couple tutorials for you guys. We're gonna go in, I just feel like this matches my skin tone so nicely, and just on the top of our cheekbones. And we're gonna bring this highlighter in a little bit more than what we usually would, so we get this little glisten right here. Whew. One that thinks that this is pretty. I know a lot of people that don't like when people put highlight on the top of their lips, but I think it's so pretty. I love it. Alright, and then we're gonna do our lips. I picked the closest color I could get to my eyes, in my opinion. This is Vintage by NYX, and it's one of my favorites. I've probably used it a few times on my channel. Can you guys hear him? This is Husky. We named him that because he has two different colored eyes. Look at those, beautiful. Look at those. Alright guys, so that is it for this tutorial. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to hit that like button down there, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I post new videos every single week. Glamoween is almost here, and I'm super excited, and we're gonna be doing lots of Halloween makeup tutorials for y'all. So hopefully if you click that red button down there, it says subscribe, and if you click the bell button next to it, you will never miss another one of my uploads, and you become a part of the GlamFam. But other than that, that is it. I will see you guys in my next video. I love you guys so much. Bye!